Here, stand up here.
We would like to show you a video of the show.
What's today? Easter?
Yeah!
What happened on Easter?
The Easter Bunny.
Is that all that happened?
Uh-huh.
What about Jesus?
Jesus died on the cross.
Jesus died on the cross.
Oh, yeah.
Welcome, everybody. This is Fixing Things. This is my granddaughter, and that's my son. And I'm eating a cookie because it's Easter.
No way! Well, I got
Way.
from the 4th and
So today, we got a short little video. We're going to go ahead and put the sound deadening material on the side of this thing, start this thing up, and see if it, yeah, see if it works. See if it's quieter. So the last time we did it, we were at about 95 dB all the way around. And we want to get it quieter than that. So let's get with it, right?
right.
Are you my granddaughter? Who's my best granddaughter? Yeah.
Hi!
So first things first, we got to find all of our little rattles. And now you can already tell we got some loose bolts here, the loose hinge over here. So if we start with all of them problems, when we put the sound dampener thing in there, I think we'll be doing pretty good.
And I'm
Alright, this is the sound deadening materials stuff. Has a self-backing, self-adhesive backing on it. Comes from eBay. It's called, it says heat and sound insulation mat. Excel. So they got different types of this junk too. So this comes 60 by 40, one mat, 60 inches by 40 inches. And it's about 3/8 of an inch thick and has a self-adhesive backing to it. And it's fairly light, so we'll see how it hooks on. It'll probably blow away. Going down the road, it'll be flapping in the wind. Hopefully it works real good. All these loose holes and years of neglect. And bent door. Hammer. All right, you ready?
Yep.
And we just pull the paper. What? My paper. Tell me when you're ready.
Paper ready. it.
What?
Because you got the video on now, so it doesn't go right. Already quieter.
Right. Can't even hear myself now.
Brand new inside now.
Fixed. Oh yeah. All right, so we put the sound mat on there. It's peelless and stick, and I showed you how that went. And we got it all throughout except on the roof and a couple other small spaces. Usually if it's got tight corners and stuff, vibration and sound dampening is not a big issue, but on these big flat panels. And now, it used to ring like a bell. Now she's doing good. Still got some rattles. So we'll show you what's kind of done. So we got it done here. Got it done on the other door over there. Got it done on the wall. It's so black back there you probably can't see. On the wall. We still got to make a lid for that unit. Got it on there. Even got it on here. Back there-ish. So I think we're about ready to do a sound test, maybe. All right, we're getting ready to do the dB check. Actually, we did the dB check already, but I don't think the volume was on my mic recording thingy.
So baseline.
Baseline.
We're at 72, 76 talking.
76 dB talking.
Wait.
Check. 1, 2.
85.
85 at a really loud talk. Take 2.
Probably don't have to.
Oh, hear how quiet that got when we shut that door? 94. That's lower than what we was at before. I think we was at 97. 93. This is the loudest. 95, 96.
And a lot of it is
Exhaust. We're going to point that the other way. 91 dB. All right, now let's do our. All right, here we are at 10, 15 feet away. 83. It actually goes up when we start talking. And that's in our target range. Now we're approximately 10, 20, 35 feet. 70, 79, 80 dB. Let's go approximately 40 feet away. If your phone is clicking on. 78 dB. It goes up when I talk because I got a loud mouth. Loud mouth. That's it right there. That's our target range. That's what we wanted to be at. And now it's not going to be competing with the sound system when he does the shows. And he doesn't have to rent a generator. All right, that's going to be it for Fixing Things with Pastor Bill. Remember, I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. We still don't know the year of that machine. It's a White's Hercules generator, 125 amps. That's all we know. Somebody debadged it for some reason. I guess they thought that was important. But now the system could be used on a show, an outside show, where before it wasn't even set up. Some of the sound is coming out the bottom and ricocheting out. So we still probably want to put a sound deadening mat or something, a little skirt to come away from it. That way the sound hits the skirt and goes up and not out to the sides. So, but I think it's a success. We're probably going to paint the thing and everything else. Billy wants to paint it blue. I want to paint it maybe psychedelic yellow or something.
I'm thinking bed liner.
Bed liner gray, blue, black,
Beige.
Amarillo,
Some.
beige, brown, blue, all in one. All right. Happy Easter, everybody. He is risen. Remember that. He is risen. He's not in the grave like the other gods, right? Buddha's in the grave. All the other guys are in the grave. But Jesus is risen. He's not in the tomb. God bless everybody.